Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about sounds. Sounds. Look at the screen. This is a farm. Farm. There are many different sounds on the farm. Listen to this sound. Moo. Do you know this sound? Moo. I know this sound. This is a cow. Cow. The cow says moo. The cow says moo. This is a cow sound. Listen again. Cluck, cluck. Do you know this sound? I know this sound. I know this sound. This is a chicken. Chicken. The chicken says cluck, cluck. The chicken says cluck, cluck. This is a chicken sound. Listen again. Ba, ba. Do you know this sound? I know this sound. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. The sheep says ba, ba. This is a sheep sound. Listen to this last sound. Oink, oink. Do you know this sound? I know this sound. This is a pig. Pig. The pig says oink, oink. The pig says oink, oink. This is a pig sound. There are many sounds on the farm. Do you know these sounds? Okay, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.